Manufactured to detect the amount of exhaust gas air-fuel ratio. Constructed from durable material. Features zirconia solid electrolyte. Highly accurate. Easy installation. Denso air and fuel ratio sensor is designed to detect the amount of the exhaust gas air and fuel ratio. It is constructed from durable material that is corrosion and abrasion resistant. This sensor features zirconia solid electrolyte integrated with alumina heater substrate, which precisely controls the amount of oxygen concentration that flows into the diffusion layer to limit current flow. This sensor can easily be installed and ensures longevity. Top reviews from the United States. Easy install, perfect results. Bought this for my wife's 2001 Camry that was kicking up AP1155 EC. Product fit perfectly. Made sure I covered the threads in Cooper anti-sieve paste, and torqued it down to factory spec, 32 feet lb. Error code cleared right away, and engine again runs like new.